Here comes our soil. A little bit there. So, all right, here we go. Here it comes. Here's a dump.
Get the dump.
Here comes the soil. Dun, 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 dun. Hoorah! And here it comes. She knows him. That's funny.
Small town.
Yeah. And look at that, huh? Here it comes. Yeah, my friends. And his next 4 loads will be mulch. And here's how we're looking. We have the crew hard at work. This is going to be a vineyard right here. Getting the vineyard ready. And now we have the earth moving excavator over here, so we can get this. Gonna put a medicine circle on the other side over here, and we need to do some earthworks. There's cardboard for soil or weed suppression, and we have a nice trellis over here. And there we go. Food forests everywhere, people. Have an amazing day.